Hello friends, in this video we will gonna see how to redirect 404 error page to home page in WordPress. This video is available in multiple languages. To change the audio, go to the settings of the video, click audio track. Now you can change your preferred language. Let's see our first method using Htaccess file redirection. Let's jump into the video. Log into your cpanel directly. Under file section, click file manager. Click public HTML. You will see Htaccess. Right click and click edit option. Again click edit to go to the editor. Here you will see default Htaccess code. Remove the default Htaccess code and paste the code. I have mentioned the same code in video description. Use the same redirection code. Next we will see using active theme redirection. cpanel main menu, go to the file manager. Click on public HTML. Then click on WP content. See the theme folder. Click on that. Click on your current WordPress theme. My current theme is 2025. Double click and edit the function.php files. Click edit here. Go to the bottom and paste the code here. I will drop the same code in video description. You can use the same code to redirect your 404 page to home. Click save change option. Please note that we will not recommend this method. If you change your theme to another theme, it will affect your redirection code. Last method, using 404 redirect plugin. Log into the dashboard of your website. Website options, over plugins, click add plugin option. Search box, type 404 redirect to home page and search for it. Here, click install now on first plugin. Once plugin is installed, click activate. Now go to the setting of the plugin page. Here you can change and configure the setting of the plugins. Once it is done, click update option. You can open your browser and type your website with 404 error page. You can see it will redirect to your home page. You can use any one of the method to redirect 404 page to home page. If this video helps you, please like, comment, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.